Hey, this is Barrett, Engineering Manager for CorkSport Mazda Performance. Today I'm proud to announce the redesigned skid plate for the first and second generation Mazda 3 and Mazdaspeed 3. For several years, CorkSport has sold the skid plate in a large single-piece design. We decided to go back to the drawing board, redesign the skid plate into a two-piece design to improve fitment, to decrease shipping costs, and to make the installation overall easier for you. The skid plate is made of lightweight yet extremely durable 11 gauge 5052 aluminum. Over the many years of producing the skid plate, we have seen it take a beating and hold up to the test of time. Like the original design, the redesigned CorkSport Skid Plate covers the entire engine bay, from front of bumper to the rear of the subframe. Because of this full coverage, it keeps the engine bay cleaner and safer. The CorkSport Skid Plate also considers normal vehicle maintenance. There's two easy access locations for the oil filter and the oil drain plug. So why should you replace your OE skid plate with a CorkSport Aluminum Skid Plate? Well, overall, aluminum, especially 11 gauge, is much more durable than a plastic OE skid plate. And along the life of a car, the OE skid plate can start to sag, fall down, even catch on stuff and get ripped off. So thanks for taking the time to check out the redesigned CorkSport Skid Plate for your Mazda 3 and Speed 3. This is Barrett, tuning out.